Hello, my name is Muhammad Hassan and I am going to present you our final year project, which is the transmission line inspection using drone. Power line inspection is a wider process. It requires skilled workers and it's expensive and time consuming as well. We are familiar with the working of drones. We know we can make pictures and videos by connecting cameras on UAV. So why not we do power line inspection? As inspection for power line using drone is popular in foreign countries. In Pakistan, use of drone for the power line inspection is not very common, and we want jobs for power line inspection to be inexpensive and danger-free. That's why we propose this project. It's a high-speed drone of about 70 miles per hour because we are using 1000 kV brushless DC motors and each gives 1000 rpm per volt. Combining with the 3-cell LiPo batteries, it increases to 11.1 volts. Now talking about batteries, it gives flight time of about 20 to 22 minutes. Our main concern is power line inspection, so we are using 4K action camera which gives the wide angle view of the area and helps to inspect more accurately. Our drone can fly in different modes: GPS mode, manual mode, and fail-safe or RTL return to launch mode. Helps the drone to fly back to its original position in case of any emergency.
Now coming to our hardware. Our quadcopter consists of 4 motors and 4 10-inch propellers and equipped with a 4K ultra high definition camera, a DJI NASA flight controller with a GPS or compass module, along with a battery, a transmitter and a receiver. Now, talking about motors, 1000 kV brushless DC motors are used to make enough thrust by the propellers in order to lift the weight of whole quadcopter. A remote LED is mounted at the back side to understand the orientation of a drone. We are using 5200 milliamps or 11.1 volt 3S LiPo battery. Head towards transmitter. This is the FlySky i6 6 channels transmitter and has a range of 1000 meters. It's a time for a software part. This is the DJI NAZA-M LITE Assistant official software. In order to program our flight controller, first connect battery in X360 connectors. Then the remote LED will blink. Connect flight controller with the PC using USB cable. We have to program this at backend. The front window will show as a graphical user interface with different values set at backend. The window shows different motions: pitch, roll, yaw and vertical lift gain values. The right side shows the motor ideal speed, the battery voltages and a lot of parameters. We are designing X or mixer type quadcopter. In the next step, we control our transmitter and the output will be shown on PC screen as you can see.
dance music.
Now, it's time for hardware testing. Throttle up the stick and the motor spins.
Wow, seems to be fine.